So I'm going to attempt to show you how to remove this rocker arm. Make sure the cam lobe is up on the top. If not, bump the engine over. I'm using a prying tool to pry the lifter down and push it over at the same time. Just like that. Pops out of there. I use this panel tool. I tried a couple of these fork tools here and they would work, but they were in the way. So now when you can pull the lifter out, we're going to put the new lifter in, and I'll show you how to put the rocker arm back in place. So now reinstalling this rocker arm, put it up from underneath, position it in the place like so, and then use a pry bar of some type to pry it up into place. Just like that. The only thing that's important is to make sure the base circle is at the bottom and the cam lobe is up. So we're just putting one lifter in this thing. We're going to clean up the valve cover gasket surface, put it back together again. So there's the valve cover back on. It works best if you install it down at an angle between the AC pipes and the heater hoses, and then tilt it in like so. I replaced the bolts on the bottom here with new bolts. You only need 4 studs. The stud here for the heater hoses, one stud here for a clip, another stud here for a clip, and one here to locate the cam sensor harness. So we already put the air induction system back in, but I need a piece of hose for the PCV. I checked with the dealer and they don't have it. I'm going to see if I can find a piece of oil resistant hose with a 90-degree bend like that's part of the PCV system. It goes to the back of the intake manifold runner there, the very back corner back there. Okay, so we've got it back together. I haven't started it yet. I'm going to check it for codes. I see the check engine light was on when I drove it in, but that's probably because the temp sensor unplugged. No, I haven't cleared the codes. That's right. That's right, it wouldn't let me clear the codes because it was running. So I'm going to clear them. And I'm going to go into data. And I'm going to start it up. It's nice and quiet. It's in open loop still. It's interesting, it shows open loop status on bank 1 and bank 2 like it could be separate or different. I suppose if there's a misfire on one bank, it could. What's this notification here? Francesco Xavier Gonzalez Romo says, thank you for a video. You're welcome, Francesco. Let's run it for a little while and make sure that everything is okay. I managed to fix that PCV fresh air hose with a piece of hose and a union. They want $60 for that molded hose from the dealer. Plus they didn't have it in stock. Yeah, went into closed loop. Let's have a look at misfires. It's running beautiful right now. Under system tests where misfires are, misfire counters. All zeros. You like that. So I'm going to take this thing for a road test, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.